Hello everyone, I am Shweta and welcome to my channel Analytics by Shweta. In today's video, we will learn how to create a bar progress chart in Excel. If you see, I have a bar with small squares over here and the filled portion is represented by a dark color. If I enter the percentages as 50 over here, if you see, it automatically updates. So we have a dark portion which represents our percentage, and then we have this light box grid over here which represents the remaining part. So let's go ahead and create this chart. So you have two aspects of this chart. You have the value of the percentage which you want to represent, and then you have a full value which is 100%. This is the value which we would be changing to see the percentage changes in our chart. So let's select this, go here and select a clustered bar chart. Now if you see, we have two bars over here. Let us just switch the row and column of the chart so that we have one written here and it is entirely in one series. Now what we need to do is first fix the axis. So select Format, do 0 and do 1. Let's remove the grid lines. Next, just select your chart and do Format Data Series and just adjust the gap width. Now what you need to do is select a small square. So we need to select a square. We shape it as, for example, green color, and we give it an outline of white. Select this and onto your fill series, just paste it. If you see, an entire block of green is seen here, but you want small boxes across this bar. So you go here in fill, in stack and scale width, you put it as 0.1. And now if you see, you have that effect of small boxes being represented here. Next, select this cell and select a green over here, which is a darker version of this green, and just go to your cell and in the series overlap do 100%. If you see, it completely overlaps the chart. Now what we need to do is remove this axis over here, remove this axis over here, and just adjust your chart accordingly. If you write a percentage of 20% here, it would automatically update to 20%. So this is how a bar progress chart is created. In our previous example, we had created a circular progress chart. If you want to have a look at it, please refer the link in the description box. So this is a dynamic chart of a bar progress, and it completely changes. 56% it has updated. So use a darker and lighter version of the same color to represent it. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell for more updates. Thank you for your time and have a nice day.